Good morning, students. Today we will continue 4.2. So in this, two methods are there: how to solve equations. So first method name is called substitution method. Substitution method. So first we will go with this method. What is this method we will learn? They will give two equations, namely 2x minus y is equals to 5, 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. So two linear equations in two variables were given for us, and what we have to do is we should solve for x and y by using substitution method. So to do in substitution method, among two equations you have to select one. So I am selecting 1. First equation, what it is, 2x minus y is equal to 5. Now I want to make y as subject. If I want to make y as subject, y should have plus symbol. But for y, which symbol is there here? Minus. So bring minus y to this side. Then 2x is equals to 5 plus y. It will become 5 plus y. So I have to keep only y here. Plus 5 also I am transposing to left hand side. So it becomes y is equals to 2x minus 5. It is equation number 3. What I done? I took first equation and I made y as subject. That's it. Now this y value I had to substitute in second equation. So what is second equation? See, 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Then 3x as it is I am writing 2 as it is. So y value, instead of y, I should write 2x minus 5 inside the brackets is equal to 11 as it is. So that only it is called substitution methods. In substitution method, among two equations you have to select any one, and you should make x as subject or y as subject from one equation, and which you made as subject in place of that you have to substitute in the second equation. So I took first equation, I made y as subject. That y value I am substituting in the second equation. Same thing I done here. Then 3x, okay, it is distribution property, 2 into 2x, 4x, 2 into minus 5, minus 10 is equal to 11. 3x and 4x are called like terms. For 3x, if you add 4x, you are getting 7x, and 11, okay, minus 10 I am transposing to here, plus 10. So 7x is equals to 21, x is equals to 21 by 7, and x is equals to 3. I got it. I got x is equal to 3. Then what I had to do, this x is equal to 3, I had to substitute in equation number 3. So equation 3 is what? Y is equals to 2x minus 5. So I am substituting x is equal to 3 in this. 2 3s are how much here? 6 minus 5 is 1. So what I got here, y is equal to 1, I got it. So I solved pair of linear equations in substitution method. So beforehand I said how to solve for x and y by using graphical method. Graphical method is completed for us. Now what is this method name? Substitution method. So one time I can explain to you, but 5 times, 10 times you have to do practice to get that one. So it is called substitution method. One more method is there, that is called elimination method. Same problem we will do in elimination method. Okay. How we should do in elimination method, we will see it. So the equations are 2x minus y is equal to 5 is one equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11 is another equation. Two equations are there. Elimination I should do it. So to do elimination, first I had to think in my mind that I want to equate the coefficients of either x or y. So x coefficient here you are seeing 2, x coefficient you are seeing here 3. So they are not same, isn't it? If they are not same, that coefficients LCM you have to do it. For 2 and 3 LCM is what here? 6. Very good. So x coefficient here 2 is there. I want to make it as a 6. So 2, when it will come 6 means when you are multiplying with 3. So first equation enter, I am multiplying with 3. Now x coefficient, now I got 6 because 3 2s are 6. Now in second equation x coefficient is 3. I should make it as 6 means entire second equation should multiply with 2. See why I am multiplying 3 and 2 with these equations. You should understand that in my mind I want to make x coefficients as same. X coefficients here 2 and 3, they are different. If they are different, the different numbers LCM you have to find it. That LCM how much you got here? 6 you got it. So you want to make x coefficients both as 6. Okay. Then x coefficient 2 is there. To make it as 6, you should multiply with 3. Here you have x coefficient as 3. To make it as 6, you should multiply with 2. That's it. Okay. Now how to multiply with 3 for an equation? Equation will have LHS and RHS. So with these 3 you should multiply LHS and RHS also. So you will get 3 into 2x minus y is equals to 5 into 3. If you want to simplify, 3 into 2x 6x, 3 into minus y minus 3y is equal to 15. This becomes equation number 3. Then with 2 if you want to multiply this second equation, same I think I said that 2 should be multiplied with LHS, means 2 into 3x plus 2y, and 2 should be multiplied with RHS, 2 into 11. So if I expand it, 2 into 3x 6x plus 2 into 2y 4y, 11 2s are 22. It is equation number 4. So now 3 and 4 you have to solve it. So you can write 3 upside, 4 upside, anything. Okay. However you will write, answer will come exactly same for all. So I wrote third and fourth equations. Now you should keep in mind that both 6x are having same symbol plus. So coefficients are same, like terms, x and x are like terms. If coefficients are same, then if same symbol is there, you have to do subtraction. If different symbols are there, you have to do addition. Now same symbols are different symbols, same symbols, means you have to do subtraction. So while you are doing subtraction, to know for you, what you have to do is you have to keep minus symbol, means first equation minus second equation you are doing. If you do subtraction, down you have 3 terms. These 3 terms symbols you have to change. If they have plus, you have to make it as minus. If you have minus, you have to convert it into plus. 6x is having plus, so it will be minus. 4y is having plus, it will be minus. 22 is having plus, it becomes minus. Now 6x minus 6x. See, these 3 changed the symbols. Okay, 6x means which symbol means, and now you have to say minus. Plus 6x minus 6x will be cancelled. Minus 3y minus 4y is minus 7y. So plus 15 minus 22 means minus 7 will come. Minus minus cancel, 7 by 7. So y is equals to 1, you got it. So you got y is equals to what here? 1. Okay. So next what you have to do is, next this y value, if you substitute in any equation, either 1 or 2, you will get the value of x. Example, 2x minus y is equal to 5 is there. 2x, okay, minus y means I have to write here 1 is equal to 5. 2x is equal to this minus 1 I am transposing to here, 5 plus 1. 2x is equal to 6. X equals to 6 by 2. X is equals to 3. Now what I got? X value 3. X is 3, y is 1. This type of process is said to be called elimination method. What you are doing? 6x and 6x you eliminated or not? So here what you done? You substituted the value of y in another equation. So it is substitution method. You eliminated x by equating the coefficients. So it is called elimination method. So graphical method, substitution method, elimination methods are important. So in examinations, if they will ask to solve without mentioning the method, so you can do your own methods. Okay. Otherwise, which method they ask to do, you have to do in that same method itself. Okay. Now substitution method I said, elimination method I said. So do these problems are there here. So he is asking to do an elimination method. So if you did not understood, again I'll do. Which one you want? 1, 2, 3. Any one. Okay. Third question I'll do it. That is 3x plus 4y is equals to 25. And 5x minus 6y is equals to minus 9. Okay, if you are unable to see, just okay. Now 3x plus 4y is equals to 25 is there, 5x minus 6y is equal to minus 9 is there. So see, I can eliminate x, I can eliminate y. That also, see, in my mind, if I want to eliminate x, I have to make x coefficients as same. In my mind, I want to eliminate y terms, I should take LCM for y coefficients. Now I want to take y coefficients as same. So y coefficients, you have 4 and 6. Leave symbols 4 and 6. For 4 and 6 LCM, how you have to do it is 2 2s are 2 3s are. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12, we got it. Means y coefficient you have to get as 12. To get y coefficient as 12, this entire should be multiplied with 3. This entire you should multiply with 2. Because 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12. Now multiplied. See how to multiply is 3 into 3x, 9x, 3 into 4y plus 12y, 3 into 25, 75. With 3 I multiplied all the terms. Now with 2, 2 into 5x, 10x, 2 into minus 6y, minus 12y, 2 into minus 9, minus 18. Okay. Now what I done is, I multiplied with 3 and 2, that's it. Why you have to multiply with 3 and 2 is very important. To make y coefficients as same. So y coefficient 4 is there, 6 is there, but here you got 12 and 12. Now 12y, 12y, okay, you got same terms with coefficients. Now their symbol, see it, one is plus, the other is minus. So previous problem, they have same symbol, so you don't subtraction. Now these two terms have different symbols. So if different symbols are there, what I said to you is keep a plus symbol here. This plus indicates that you are doing addition. So beforehand I wrote minus here. After writing minus, down equation, 3 terms are there. That 3 terms symbols I changed. Now plus means no need of changing anything. You have to leave like that only. Now plus 12y minus 12y will be eliminated, cancelled. 10x plus 9x is 19x. And from 75, you should subtract 18. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. So you are getting 57. So x is equals to 57 by 19. 19 threes. So x is equal to how much I got here? I got x is equal to 3. So if I got x is equal to 3, x value I can substitute in first equation and second equation. Any equation. Only one time I had to substitute. So I am taking 5x minus 6y is equal to minus 9. In that, in place of x I am substituting 3. Then 5 3 is how much here? 15 minus 6y is equal to 9. Minus 6y I am sending to this side. So 15 minus 9 is equal to 6y. 15 minus 9 is 6. 6 is equal to 6y. Y is equal to 6 by 6. So y is equals to 1. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, I got it. So same like this you have to do plenty of problems to know about it. So how many problems you will practice, that much perfect you will become. Don't leave example sums. Example sums are very very important. Even I am not discussing in videos. So if you have any doubt, you can post the doubts. Okay. Exercise 4.2. It's also important. By reading the problem, you have to get linear equations too. Okay. So by getting linear equations, you have to do an elimination method. Very easy method is elimination method. So first, forming pair of linear equations is important. After forming pair of linear equations, by elimination method, you have to solve for x and y's. Okay. Okay. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.